Albert Cash Advance is a feature inside the Albert app that gives users access to short-term cash based on their banking activity, instead of a traditional credit score. By the end, you'll know what Albert looks for when deciding eligibility, how approval actually works inside the app, and what you can do to improve your chances of qualifying. Albert does not use a traditional credit application process. There is no standard credit card style approval form where income and credit score alone decide everything. Instead, the app evaluates your bank account activity after you connect it. Now explain what that means in practice. When you connect your bank account, Albert reviews things like income deposits, spending patterns, and account stability to decide whether you qualify for a cash advance. Now explain why this matters. This means your qualification is based more on how your money moves in real life, rather than just a credit report snapshot. Now, explain consistency. Regular income deposits are important because they show predictable cash flow. Inconsistent deposits can make approval less likely because the system cannot clearly assess repayment ability. Now explain account behavior. Stable account usage matters. If your account shows frequent overdrafts or very irregular balances, that can reduce eligibility because it signals higher risk. Now explain timing. Even if you qualify, access is not always instant or guaranteed at all times. Availability depends on your current account status inside the app when you request an advance. Now explain what improves chances. Consistent direct deposits, steady account balances, and predictable spending patterns generally make it easier for systems like Albert to approve cash advances over time. Now explain limitations. Albert Cash Advance is not a guaranteed borrowing tool. It is a conditional feature based on ongoing account behavior, not a fixed loan product. Now, put it in perspective. If your financial activity is stable, you are more likely to qualify. If your income is irregular, or your account shows inconsistent patterns, approval becomes less predictable. Here's the simple breakdown. Albert Cash Advance qualification is based on your banking behavior, not just credit scores. The system looks for consistent income and stable account activity before offering access. Do this next. Connect your bank account and monitor how your eligibility changes over a few weeks of normal activity. Then adjust spending patterns to keep balances and deposits more consistent. If your account shows steady income and stable usage, your chances of qualifying improve over time. If not, approval may remain limited or unavailable.